All right, triangle 10. We have a right triangle. We're trying to find x. I want to point this out before we begin. Notice this is 38, and across from 38, we have 344, right? So you and I know this is like 52, which is larger because, again, you know it's 90. This is 52, which is larger. So across from a 52 should be larger. So x should be bigger than 344. We know our answer is going to be bigger than 344. If it's not, then we've messed up. All right, I just want to point that out before we begin. Now, here's our right triangle. We have our hypotenuse across from the right angle. But again, we're not even using that because there's no measurement. We're using the x and the 344. So 38 is right here. So across from that is 344. So 344 is going to be our opposite measurement. And right here beside the 38, that will be our adjacent. Now, we use the idea of some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid. So who has O and A in it? That's the TOA. That's the tangent. So the tangent of the angle that we're given, which is 38, I put it over 1 to create two fractions equal to one another so I can use the means extremes property. So tangent 30 over 1 has to equal opposite. Who's opposite? That's the number 3, 4, 4. Adjacent now over the adjacent, who happens to be our unknown that we're trying to find. So now multiply these will equal those multiplied. So I'm going to say x times whatever this tangent of 38 degrees is, whatever number that is, equals 1 times 344, which is 344. So we have x times some number that our calculator knows and they've looked up and studied. And we don't know it, but we're just going to divide by whatever it is because the calculator knows it. I don't need to write it out because, again, it's in the calculator's memory there. So we're just going to divide by the tangent 38, keep it clean. I don't want to be dividing by 0.42865, whatever it is. Excuse me. So x is approximately 344 divided by tangent of 38. When I do this, I get 440.3. There's our measurement, and it's larger than 344.